Hey friends! Thanks for joining me, Michelle, for another VIN School Programs at Home Learning session. Today we're going to talk about the weather. What do you guys think? We just got a lot of snow. I don't think the weather man predicted as much as we would get, but we definitely got a lot here at my house. But I'm seeing so much melt off already, and things are changing, it seems like, every single day. The temperature goes up and down. Weather's crazy this time of year. And you know what's great? Something you can do at home is start your own weather journal to see how the changes are happening. So what you can do at home is start a weather journal. You can put this in a notebook, on a piece of paper. Somewhere you already have been collecting things about outside, maybe your science journal from school. But what you can do is you can write the date. You're going to want to write the day of the week, the month, the day, and the year, so you remember every time you go back to that weather journal. You'll want to write down the temperature. If you have a thermometer at home, you can use that, or you can check out what the high temperature in Fahrenheit and the low temperature in Fahrenheit is for each day. Another thing you'll want to do is write down your observations. So actually go outside. Feel what it feels like. Right now, it feels so warm in the sun, but the wind's a little bit chilly. So that's something I would write down for my observations. I would also look up in the sky and look at the clouds, things that you're seeing. So what's the weather like today? What do you notice happening? How do you feel outside? What are you wearing? I think I'm wearing too many clothes. So observations can be written, you can draw them, or it could be something else. You can make a video journal instead of writing things down on your own video. Other things to record in your journal are things that you can compare and contrast. So how is today's weather different from yesterday, and what is the same? So you can compare and contrast yesterday's to today's weather. And the last thing is make a prediction, so you can become a meteorologist at home. What do you think tomorrow's weather will be like? How do you know? So those are things that you can write down. As you start to record your weather journal every day, you're going to notice some patterns, some things that are changing and you don't know why. But these are all things you can think of and explore and look at even more as you collect your data every day. I keep my own weather journal in my nature notebook. So I keep lots of different things in here. I have things I wrote down when I went on vacation. I have my bird list. I have lots of stuff in here. But my weather journal, I keep in the back. I also write things down like I asked you to do, but I have stuff as well like, what time did the sunrise come up? What time is the sun supposed to set tonight? How many hours of daylight are there? What is the moon? And other things like that. So you can add even more stuff to your weather journal than what I have on my poster. Well, friends, I'm looking forward to seeing pictures of your weather journals. You can post them on your Facebook page, or you can post them on the VIN's Facebook page, but make sure you tag us. Well, guys, get outside, check out the weather, and have fun. I'll see you next time for another VIN School Programs at Home Learning video. Bye, everybody.